Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this very cute scarf. I use 3.5 millimeters hook and 3.5 millimeters yarn. Make a slip knot, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, make a slip knot, and chaining yarn over, pull up yarn, make chains, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert your hook into first chain. Now we have 2 yarns on hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, make a ring. Make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Add 1, 2, 3 more chains in here. Yarn over, go to this ring, pull up yarn, yarn over. Now we have 1, 2, 3 yarns on hook. Pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together. This is first row. Make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, turn the work, 1, 2, 3 chains, add 3 more chains, yarn over, go to this same stitch, take 2 yarns on hook, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Add 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3 chains, go to next chain, insert your hook, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns. Add 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, go to same chain, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. I show like this. Make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, turn the work, 1, 2, 3 more chains, yarn over, go to top of this stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns. Make 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, go to top of this double crochet, insert your hook into this top of this stitch, pull through, make 1, 2, 3, yarn over, go to top of this stitch, pull up yarn, pull through. I show 1, 2, 3 yarn over, go to fourth, skip 1, 2, 3, go to fourth chain, pull up yarn, pull through, 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, go to same chain, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1, 2, 3, 4, add 3 chains, yarn over, go to this stitch, pull through, 1 2 3, go to top of this stitch, make 1 double crochet, 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 3 chains, 1 double crochet, and repeat. 1 2 3 chains, skip 3 chains, go to here, 1 double crochet, 1 2 3, go to same stitch, 1 2 3 4, turn the work and repeat. I show we have the stitches in first and last stitch. I show the 2 double crochet in first stitch, 2 double crochet in last stitch, 1 double crochet in top of every stitch. Make more rows like this. I show I made these rows. I show in last stitch, yarn over, skip 3 chains, go to 4th chain, pull up yarn, pull through, 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through. You can make more than this size, more rows in here. I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 27 rows in here. I show 26 centimeter in here, 67 centimeter in this side.